have you sign off.
Obviously.
Yeah.
That is a lot of cars.
I know.
Right.
And trust me, if I could have come to your place, I would have saved you the headache, but I was that guy in the beginning. I was coming up there, it was bad. First name, last name, the signature in that box, and we're all good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you again, appreciate you, but safety. Yeah.
You don't want one of those Final Destination 2 moments.
Nah. No catastrophic, if I can help, you know.
My life is saved.
Awesome. Yeah, yep, it's all good to go. We're all good. You can call your Uber, we're all set. I should have it there Monday, because I know they're gonna close by the time I leave, so I'll be there Monday to get it done in the morning.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Have a good one.
All right, you too, McKenna.
Be safe.
Thank you. Yes.